Hey everyone, it's Maureen and welcome back to the channel. So today we are pretty fired because it is the holiday season. I have done a iPhone haul before, but I think it's been a while. So today we're going to be doing a iPhone 17 Pro Max case haul. If you are interested on this haul, just keep on watching. There's 4 here, guys. Gonna start with this. It has more stuff inside, so let's see. I'm just not gonna look like we used to do, and I think you guys saw that already. I'm not a fan. Although it covers the camera and it has a covering in the bottom, which is good. Let's try it on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. A Christmas hat right here, and a candy cane, a ornament, and some other decorations that you could find on a Christmas tree. It kind of looks okay with our cosmic orange here. Cute, curly, wavy pattern. And this cost $11.99. It's like 194 people, I guess, that bought this design. It's made of premium TPU. It does not have MagSafe. Oh man, I can't press the button, but there's an access for the camera control. It's weird. This is not actually related to Christmas. Love the design. This will be good for my vacation. If you love pasta, this is perfect. Love that there's a blue on the sides and a clear-ish, and it is MagSafe. Pasta and wine, Friday nights, starting at 1 p.m. Lover Club. And the buttons work, which is good, right? It matches the cosmic orange because the color of the pasta and wine there is orange too. In general, the lettering is orange, and the blue kind of goes well with the orange. It's made with thermoplastic polyurethane. It's a playful case in red beige, blue for a cozy, quirky look. Packaged using 100% recyclable paper. It kind of protects it. It's not as high as the Velvet Caviar, but definitely still is going to protect the screen. Next. Okay. It's from Sakulu. Make something you love. Smartphone case, distinctive beauty, and protect your phone. Sealed in a box. I really like that Sonics. How do you open this? Ah, ha ha. Nice packaging. And we have dun dun dun. It is MagSafe, so we shall see. And I love the button. It's so soft. Oh my god. It's a bit thin on the sides. There is, I think, a little bit of protection in the screen. Definitely a high protection in the camera area. I can't feel the glitters there. I can feel it in the inside though. So I really love it for my cosmic orange. Camera control right there is showing. Button right here. It's very soft. Same thing with right here on the side. It is $20.99. If this works, I will keep this. Oh my god. You are gonna be a part of the family. Kulu, you win. You got me. This is from Bonoma, and it's also packaged well. The Sakulu was white. This is black. Let's unbox it. The packaging is the same as the Sakulu. Whoa. Same as the Sakulu. Look it, they're identical. Weird. Next one here is very Christmassy. And this one is the first case on all of the cases that we've unboxed that has a covering, except for the first one that I didn't like. Oh, it's very flimsy. This one costs $9.99. The buttons work, yeah. Screen is the same as the other two. It's so thin, I don't know if this will protect your phone from drops. Baby, it's cold outside. And with decorations, candy cane, and all that fun stuff. This one, it has a lot of Christmas tree and it's red. It's the same as the first one. And let's try it. The wavy feel again. This looks nice. I kind of like it, but I'm not a fan of the material. And same thing with the sides of it, it doesn't really work. TPU material. It looks nice for the cosmic orange. It goes well because it's like the decorations right there is light. Last one for this package is, and this is probably the same as the Baby It's Cold Outside. And let's try it on my phone. It's very thin and it matches our cosmic orange because it's white or cream or whatever you call that. It covers the back. Screen is okay. Buttons is working. Definitely. So, and the camera control is showing. The availability is for iPhone Air, iPhone 13 until 17. So I'll link it down in the description box. This is pretty good for $11.99. And the print, I can feel it right here. It's super cute. Look at this right here. It's kinda bulk. So you have to kind of push it down. And so now it's gone. But you can still see that it's not all the way down. Next package, 3 more here. It's another clear case, guys. Camera protector, screen protector. There's 2. It is a clear case with glitters. Why is it so flimsy in here? Oh no. Is it because like it's an opening there? But this is hard. Clear case with glitters. Heck yeah! Wow. And let's try the MagSafe quick here. How about the sides? Oh, it's working. $16.99. Wow. The screen is alright. Not as tall, but enough. Camera is open. Covering in the bottom. Peeling this. Pricing depends on the colors. Polypropylene, thermoplastic, polyurethane, just like our Sonics. Yeah, the screen has a nice raised edge there. I got 2 glitters already. Ooh, 2 more. This color is black. Let us see if we like this. It is glitter, but it doesn't really show much. It covers the camera. I don't know how I feel about the black glitter. What do you guys think? I don't know how I feel about this. And it covers our camera area. and it shows our Apple logo. This is the last one. This is from Deco Reco. I like the name. It has a orange in it, like a gradient orange. Oh, I like this too. It's also glittery. So it's the holiday season, why not? Ooh, this matches our screen protector too. You can't really see the gradient color because of the iPhone. If you have the silver color iPhone, this will be beautiful. But it's still kind of giving like a character on my phone here. 30 reviews already, and it's all 4 stars. It's $16.99 also, and it is polycarbonate. I think this is a steal. I like that there is this hole in there where I could put my strap, my Apple strap. And the camera, it's very high compared to the other. Screen is a bit high. Ooh, it works. Same thing on the other side. There is a film here. Let me try the MagSafe quick, even if we have a film. It has a serious protection, it says on the product details here. They're only available for 17 Air, 17 Pro, and 17 Pro Max.
Another place and leave behind this crowd, 'cause Christmas is finally here.
Okay, there's 2 more here. I lied the last time. Look at this. Whoa! Oh my god. Limited edition butterfly. This is so shiny. What? It's easy to put it on. Oh my goodness. This looks like a diva phone. Looking like a diva. Obviously, this is not a MagSafe. This is just for looks. But I love it. I could use this for dates or just when times that I want to be glamorous. From T-Taw. And they have different colors. This is the gold that I got. Oh, they have for Samsung, and then 13, 14, until 17 Pro Max. It is $14.99. This will definitely protect your phone. The camera area is high enough. There you go. And the butterfly right there. Let's see the buttons. Oh, it's soft too, guys. And then there's the camera control. Just a bit deep, but I don't mind. It's made with thermoplastic polyurethane. Kickstand, chic, and functionality. What kickstand are you talking about? The butterfly is flying. What? Oh my goodness. Wait. I don't understand. Oh, you can lay it like that, right? This is cool. I hope this area does not break, but I don't think it will break because it seems like it's glued well there. If I did not read the product details, I would not know that it has a kickstand and the butterfly. This fashion case will bring a smile on any lady. Women! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But it's kind of pokey. It hurts my fingers, but it works. Have the last one here in this packaging. And Igomara. Got it. So this is also kind of square-ish. I really love the orange iPhone. It's so clear on the top or on the sides. And then the back has this kind of like detail to it. It's pretty good protection in the screen. And same thing with the camera area. Definitely, if you drop this, protection. Let me try the MagSafe again here. White opalescent pearl. It matches our phone and makes it kind of like classy. Perfect for the holidays. It's a thermal plastic polyurethane. That's a famous material for iPhone cases, I guess. Luxury mother of pearl rectangle phone. It's not square. It's only designed for iPhone 17 Pro Max. Glossy sparkle opalescent pearl pattern makes your phone gorgeous and eye-catching. Plus, it's MagSafe, so I love that already. These are the stuff that I'm gonna be keeping. I'm just into clear because of the orange, and I want it to look classy. So guys, here. These are the cases that I got. I have another one here too. I can't reach it. There's two more. Like I said, this ones that has like decorations for Christmas, I'm gonna send that back. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you enjoy your vacation with your family. Lots of love. Thank you for supporting me in 2025 and also in the coming year, 2026. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will be seeing you on my next video.